Do you feel body pain that gets worse when you move and better when you lie down? Do you have a dry cough or constipation? Does your mouth feel dry and you need to drink a lot of water in one go? Then Bryonia Alba might be the right homeopathic medicine for you. Welcome to my channel Homeopathy Official. Here you'll find simple and effective homeopathic remedies explained clearly in both Hindi and English. Let's learn about Bryonia Alba today. What is Bryonia Alba? Bryonia Alba is made from a plant called white bryony. It's a climbing vine from a cucumber family. In its natural form, this plant is poisonous, but in homeopathy, it is prepared in a very safe and highly diluted way. This medicine is used when there is dryness in the body, pain, and when movement makes things worse. Where does Bryonia help? Dry cough. If you have a painful dry cough with little or no mucus and your chest hurts when coughing, Bryonia can help. The cough gets worse with talking, moving, or taking a deep breath. Constipation. Bryonia helps when your stools are hard, dry, and difficult to pass. You may also feel dryness in your stomach and no urge for bowel movement for a long time. Joint and muscle pain. If your joints hurt more when you move but feel better when you rest, this is a typical Bryonia symptom. The pain can be sharp and the area may feel warm or stiff. Headache. Pain usually starts from the forehead or behind the eyes. It becomes worse with light, noise, or any kind of motion. What kind of person needs Bryonia? Bryonia works best for people who become irritable when they are sick. They don't want to talk, don't want to be touched, and just want peace and rest. They usually lie very still, sometimes even on the painful side, because movement increases their discomfort. They feel very thirsty but don't drink often. They drink water in large gulps after long gaps. Doses: Bryonia 30 or 200, 5 drops in half a spoon of water 1 or 2 times a day. But always talk to a homeopathic doctor before using any medicine. Wrong dose or timing may delay healing. If your symptoms match, Bryonia Alba can give powerful relief, especially in condition made worse by motion. For more easy homeopathic tips, subscribe to Homeopathy Official. Stay healthy. Thank you.